Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Midnight Milo here, and today we are playing the Skin Stapler. There's a demo. Full game's not out yet. I have no idea about anything about this game. I don't really like the look of the guy on the left, but you know what? I'm gonna hop fucking straight in and see what this game's about. Never guess it is another horror.
Journal log, February 23rd, 1984. Carrion City. Another night of rot, simmering under busted streetlights and dark alleyways. The streets are soaked in junkie sweat and bad decisions. Every corner consumed with vermin and vice. Every night, I ask myself the same question. How much farther can we fall? And now, we got some freak carving his way through the city. Leaves skin like paper trails. The streets whisper fear and cover-ups. Me, I just whisper, Tuesday. This city's drowning in misery. With everything else for sale, murder was just waiting for its turn. Who am I? The name's Dick, Detective Dick Slater, and I'm the only one keeping the filth from spilling over and drowning this city in its own sin.
Slater, come in. Are you talking to yourself in your cruiser again?
I don't owe you an explanation. What do you want?
She's looking for you. Get down to the station.
Fine. Tell him I'm on my way.
Detective Dick, at your service. Oh, nice little intro. Spinning upside down's getting as a big doolally top like.
Good old Carrion City PD.
Looks like we're in Gotham.
Stale coffee and disappointment.
It's like the Batman or the Joker to run across the screen at some point like fucking Tom and Jerry.
Let's see what the chief wants this time.
Oh, okay, we actually have to move now. Fine a fucking lay. I love the atmosphere of this game. Detective talks to the chief in his office. This is a fucking good looking game. Bing bong.
Hello, Luna.
Ooh.
I see they still have you babysitting the front desk.
Luna's a bit fat. Oh.
You're late again, Slater. I was
Slater?
I think you fall asleep in your cruiser again.
New York, 100%.
Yet,
She's a New
here
Yorkian.
we are.
Slater, where's your bagel?
Some of us don't get to disappear into the night. O'Brien's waiting for you in his office.
Your office.
Lucky me.
Cup of hot Joe on your desk there, love.
You win. See you around.
Yeah, love. You want to come to the cruiser and make love with a bagel? Bing bong. Yeah, cheers, darling. Cheers, darling. I got a ciggy waiting for me in the back. Alright, where do I go? Here? Oh, bloody hell, I fucking wish. In here. Yeah. This guy's wanted. Is he the skin stapler? The one that I've been looking for my whole life. Dick don't get stapled. Oh, it's a very dark game. Can I open them? No. Who are you?
You're still chasing Ghost Slater?
Yeah, are you missing an
Someone has
eye?
to.
Yeah,
No,
just
I can
don't
put in that.
expect me to keep up anymore. I've got a foot in the grave.
It could be worse. Most cops in Carrion City never make it to retirement.
Retirement? With how corrupt this city is?
But no, 'cause, like,
I wouldn't be surprised if they kept me on.
I think I'd rather die than fucking retire in this city.
It's
Jesus
not too late
Christ.
for you, dick. But me?
What'd you call me?
Well,
Fucking
I'm getting too
bastard.
old for
Yeah, you fuck off. Call me a dick. A ghost? Oh, you're actually wasn't.
Hey, look who crawled out of his trench coat. You miss me, Slater?
Gee, crawled out the swamp more like. Shrek look like us.
I've got a real thing
Something for men who look like
they got
them, nothing left to
Then
lose.
aim lower.
Your
Oh,
boys. Plenty on me at an station. Speaking of, I saw a strapping young man headed to the chief's office.
skin step.
I'm sure you'll get your claws into him sooner or later.
Hopefully sooner than later. If you talk to him, put in a good word for me, yeah?
I'm
Of
not
course,
your
Shrek.
man. Get help.
Anything for you, darling. You the chief?
Slater!
Oh.
Sir! I mean, Dick. Detective Slater. Sir!
Jesus Christ, you look scared.
Elmer, you hear any chatter about the stapler?
No, sir. But I was just thinking. If you need backup or someone to ride along, I've been logging response times, radio codes, crime patterns. I can really help out there.
Okay,
These
Buzz.
streets will
I'm
chew
myself.
you up and spit you out.
Out.
You're a good kid. But
He's a
your place is
hunk of
here.
steak.
I just don't want to push. But
You don't want to see what I've seen.
Oh, I got these
Just keep at
stars.
it, kid.
Stapler got me.
Roger that, Mr. Slater.
Detective, fuck off. This is not the chief's office. Where's the chief's office? Ooh, he below the radar here, eh? Oh. Cutscene!
Well, I'll be damned. Nice of you to finally show up, Slater.
If you wanted punctual, you should have hired a watch.
You fucking tell
Who's
him.
the kid?
You tell him.
He looks too clean for this city.
That's Detective Robbie Knox. Transfer from Rotwood.
Detective Slater, it's an honor. I've read every report you ever wrote. Your work on the Full Mooner Gooner
The
case
full moon
back in
Laguna.
'79 was legendary.
They call me at the nursing home. Oh my god, it's the full moon Laguna.
Yeah.
Yeah,
City
damn
was
right,
edging on
Susan.
total collapse back then. But I
Stick a finger.
Save the
Oh,
city.
aha, I skipped a bit.
saved. I just delayed the inevitable. Now we've got a new animal stalking
But I
these
got
streets.
Batman here.
Which is why you're gonna need help. The stapler's escalating, and you're not chasing him alone.
Excuse me?
Knox is your new partner.
Partner Knox and partner Dick.
What? You gotta be kidding me, O'Brien. You know I work alone. I can't be wasting time. O'Brien,
Oh, here we go, Brian Heart attack. Oh, never mind. Boys looking at donuts.
If you could give me a minute, gentlemen. Duty calls.
Anything for you, Chief Man? Oh, creepy comedy. Fucking love this. Did you save one? Please let me save one.
Ah, that's better.
Fat bastard.
Robbie, why don't you wait by Slater's cruiser? I need to talk to him alone.
Roger that, Chief.
See ya, Robbie. I don't trust him.
Listen, Dick. The mayor's so far down my throat about the stapler that I feel like I'm in a Diesel Cox film.
you're killing me, O'Brien.
You don't get a vote on this. He's your new partner. Now get out there and catch me a killer. That's an order.
Well, order me this. Right. Well, let's go speak to Robbie again. I need to go catch myself a fresh new killer. Oh no. It's a goddamn mess. There we go. Oh. No, almost there, Robbie. Oh, Jesus Christ. I had to park the fucking parking spot there is. Sunshine, don't even chat to me. Just get in the car. Yeah.
Detective Slater.
Rule 1. You don't try and impress me.
Okay.
Rule 2. If things go bad, you stay behind me.
Got it.
Break either rule, I leave you at the curb.
Oh,
Understood.
Squad, man. Anti-6 pollution. You should do as a fighter of the crime. Quick fix. Oh, going for a quickie now, are we? Mind if I do? Hot fresh wieners inside. Goddamn, boys! I'm gonna get some. Hell yeah. Oh.
Another beautiful night in Carrion City. I get to spend it stuffing wieners into buns and regretting my life choices.
I wouldn't mind that.
But I don't regret you, baby. My jank wagon deserves nothing but the best.
The junk, it's called the junk wagon, yeah.
Fully paid off, I can quit this crappy job and leave this city in my dust.
Exy boy, you're gonna die.
I'll be counting the days until then. Better head inside and start my shift.
Oh, so what plan is Hexy? Oh, multi-story. Get in there. Oh. Hello. Fun, huh? No, I was playing a supermarket simulator. Oh, we will. Where is the telephone? Telephone, man. I'm a horror fiend.
Get your fix at the Quick Fix. This is Hexy. How can I help you?
But if I wanted a quick fix and Hexy answered the call, I'd be in there straight away, putting my stuff in my bun, stuff
Hey,
in their
Bobs.
bun.
Sorry for being a
Yeah,
few
my
minutes
bun
late.
stuffed.
I got stuck in traffic.
Oh. Which one? What'd Hexy do to me?
What?
Boss sounds like he's just come
Eric
from
didn't
Plants
bring
vs
in the meat
Zombies.
delivery? That means it's been sitting out in the rain all day. It's probably rotten by now.
Oh, God.
And he shit himself.
You calling me on the shitter? Again? Disgusting!
He just wants his bun stuffed, Hexy. Come on now, we all do.
Alright, calm down. I'll grab the meat from the back and make some fresh wieners. Just please stop calling me when you're in the middle of taking a crap.
Grab my wieners. Where did the boy leave the wieners? We're all back, aren't we? Oh, in here? Oh, where is the mystery meat? Has it not been dropped off yet, or has he hid the mystery meat just in case someone tries to steal it? Is it here? Ooh. Hello, sir.
Does this place ever actually fix anything? Ah, jeez. You scared the crap out of me, man. What?
Christ.
Fix? I think you missed the joke, dude.
Oh, I love jokes, especially the ones with a killer punchline.
Cool. Great talk. You need some...
My, I do have an appetite.
I'll fix you up a wiener, sir.
Buddy, if you're talking about the hot dogs, they aren't ready yet. Come back in 20 minutes.
The best meals are worth waiting for.
Yeah. You a clown, look at that. Get gone, boy. Get gone. Guessing we finally met the stapler.
Just another night with another creep.
Hi, sir, Ted. Oh. Let's go feed him a wiener and hopefully kill him. And then I get Buzz a detective. Oh my god, what the hell happened? What happened to me? I got like fucking chili bars. I feel goddamn baked with this shit. Skill checking hot dogs. Get in there. What the? Oh. Oh god damn. Oh shit. Oh no. Oh. He's gonna be one fucking spicy wiener once I get this. What? Honey, what do I have to make? There we go, I'm getting the hang of it now. All this Dead by Daylight training has been paying off. Damn. Damn. There we go. Not a bad job this, to be fair. Oh, that's a lot of hot dogs I made. Them stuck on the there we go. Do I still have the box? No. Okay. For customers. You want a wiener, sir? Roasted hot dog bun. Just get this shit started. Hello, sir. How are you? Oh. Somehow this clip took me 5 minutes to figure out how to cook and make the hot dog. So I have cut it down and I'm going to put some elevator music on top. Enjoy me looking like an absolute spaz. You what's up? Thank you, sir. I'm just gonna have to fucking get another one ready for the next customer. Thank you, sir. Go. Normally, you know, just stay and chat after they've done all that. One wiener coming up, miss. So. You're embarrassing me. Yeah, you goddamn right we do. Right, let me put myself that on. Oh, sorry, I need a bit of relish. Hot dog container. There you are, miss. Get globbing on my slobber. Ooh, a different technique. Damn, these must be really good. I'm for myself. In all honesty. Oh, crap, those steps here the whole time. Now I just feel like I absolute fucking scrub. How to make a juicy, long, quick fix wiener. following items to hot dog plate. Steps: toasted bun, cooked wiener, mustard ketchup, relish, the works. Oh, hello, sir. Your wiener is going to be ready very soon. I've been waiting for you.
Hello again. Are you the proprietor of this fine establishment?
Aye,
Oh,
that's
crap.
me.
You again? Proprietor? Dude, I don't know what that means. I just work here. Did you come in to get one of those famous quick fix wieners? Well, I do love a nice piece of flesh, but I am in the mood for
I was just
something
making
a
you one.
little more unique.
Bastard.
Well, if you aren't here for a wiener, what do you want?
Built.
It seems I'm a little low on supplies. Do you happen to carry any
staples.
Why do you need staples this late at night? Oh,
Read the room, dude. Come on.
you could say I'm working on a little art project. Whatever, man. It's none of my business. I think we have some on the back shelf over there by the toilet. Ah, perfect. Thank you. I'll be seeing you again.
Dude, you're just mega creepy.
So,
Yeah, you just you work yourself off there. Well, I'm gonna make you wiener just in case you really. That's tomato ketchup, isn't it, first? I'm gonna make you wiener just in case you want one. Ah. Another day, another. Oh yeah. Well, I'm glad somebody else wants to wiener. Sorry, it's lad, but yours again sold to her. Well, I already had it. They all have different techniques. It's quite interesting. I wonder if one's gonna. Well, actually, I can't really say that without spoiling it, but I hope one of them goes. There we go. So the juicy wiener is done. Well, he's off. A lot of people just come, eat my wiener, and leave. You. Did I say you have my wiener? Look like that detective guy a little bit. Oh, maybe a bit of Jersey. I don't know if I was racist or not. I hope not. Oh, there we go. A separate technique. Hell yeah, boy. Oh. Oh no, I'm doing this. This is easy. Damn it, pick one thing up. Oh. These wieners sell like crazy. No shoes, no shirt, no service, damn. Thank you, another wiener's ready. Oh, she's gonna buy something. Interesting.
Hey, Hexy.
Oh, hang on.
hey, Shrimp Queen.
It's comfort food. Don't judge me.
Whoa, there's a man behind you. I've just noticed him.
No judgment. Better
When did
than
he
these
appear there?
wieners I'm selling. You don't want to know what's in them.
You should see some
Yeah,
of the stuff
Hexy
I
behind you.
scooped off the floor at Gutter's End.
We are both living the dream, eh? You on your break?
One day we'll get out of this dump. Yeah, I gotta get back soon. How much
You
I
are
owe ya?
making it back.
Don't worry about it. This one's on me. I'm feeling a little shrimp-pathetic tonight.
Ah, you should be arrested for
Yeah, I
that
hope
one.
this guy dies.
Thanks,
Quite
Hexy.
hard.
Have a good shift, Blair.
Yeah, to be fair. We are in the same mind, my guy. Me and you are just two peas of the same pod. Find your staples anyway, sir. Oh. Guess he hasn't found his staples yet.
Shit, dude! What the hell is your problem?
Guess found his staples.
It seems you're all out of staples.
Jesus.
I'm getting pretty sick of your shit. I think you better leave before I make you. Oh, that might be fun. I did see something I liked very much.
Me and you.
But it's no longer here. What? I can see this establishment doesn't employ the brightest. But anyways. Yeah. Thanks for shopping at the Quick Fix, I guess, or whatever. By the way, you might want to check out the restroom. The toilet.
Oh my
is
god, he
quite
shit himself.
clogged.
Dude, I literally made you. Yeah, you fucking walk off. I can't believe he's just clogged up the fucking toilet.
Great. Now I need to fix the toilet.
Just what I needed. Sure are staples. I mean, to be fair, I wouldn't even know where to find the staples at. So. What has the boy done? Looks like something I'm gonna get murdered from.
Great. That weirdo clogged the shitter.
Bastard.
Just what I needed.
Oh, I see what the plunger. Another minigame to unplug the toilet. Let's go. Oh yeah, you get that sunshine. Yeah, I mean, Stenchy must fucking protrude out his ass.
This stupid thing isn't working.
Why are you looking so deep into it? Uh-oh. You have to get a face full of shit if you don't move, sunshine.
What is that sound?
Oh, yeah. Death by shit, literally. We're back with the detective, I guess. Oh no! Oh, the stapler's gonna come visit us now. Once again, don't blame him.
Break's pretty much over. I better head inside and talk to Lucas.
Well, this is more than one person working here. Well, I'm gonna be honest, that isn't much help. Can I play pool? Or can I go bowling? What are these? Oh well. I'll have to try. It's fucking scared this bastard at work.
Oh, look at that. Lucas fell asleep at the register again. Perfect opportunity. Lucas!
Hell yeah.
Jeez, Blair, what the hell?
That's what you get for sleeping on company time.
I wasn't sleeping, I was just resting my eyes.
You were literally snoring. I could hear you from the front door.
God, who cares? Anyway, we haven't had a customer in hours. This place is dead. I don't know how it stays in business.
I think the owner's using it to launder money.
Honestly, wouldn't shock me. Anyway,
Cool. Let me nuke this cup of nudies, and then you can go pass out
Nudies.
somewhere else.
I've never heard anyone say that before. Where do I go eat them? Is there an employee? Yeah, hold on. There's not an employee break room. There we go. Oh, better get some hot water. Oh, hot dog, nice.
I'll come back for this later. I should go tell Lucas he can go.
Lucas!
All right, Lucas, you can get out of here.
Ready to go, my buddy.
Sweet. Thanks, Blair. There are a few things I didn't get a chance to do.
Oh, what? Can't believe I'm getting roped into doing your jobs. What needs to be done?
We'll call it even for scaring me. One of the ball feeders is jammed with a... After that, there are a few balls that need polishing and some shoes that need to be deodorized.
You couldn't even polish the balls? It's like the easiest thing to do here.
Listen, Blair, the only balls I'm polishing tonight are mine.
Yeah, go play, Lucas. Go get a wiener.
Wow, Lucas.
With the quick fix.
Just wow.
Catch you later, Blair.
At least he's living his best life. I think I should probably go get my noodles first, but which one's jammed? This one? Yeah. Hey, we'll see if that works. God damn it! Unsteady. Oh, there we go. That's easy. Oh, I made a cannon.
Holy crap. I'm glad I wasn't standing in front of the feeder.
What's that done at least? Is that the only one that's broken?
Behind the counter and polish those balls.
Yeah, well, I'll join. I'll join. Get behind here. Where are these balls up? I'm not here. I have to talk to you now, Anna.
Hello there. Welcome to Gutter's End.
Well, hello! What a lovely little establishment this is. With an adorable little creature running.
Creature? Do you want to purchase a lane? Or am I gonna have to call?
I am here to purchase an experience.
Well,
right.
that's prostitute love.
It's $5 a game per lane.
That's cheap. Very cheap.
So direct. I like that. Sharp, clean, like a fresh cut.
Thanks, I think.
Let me ask you a question. Have you ever felt like you were wearing a costume you just can't take off?
No, this guy's creepy as f.
You mean like my work uniform?
Sure, let's call it that.
I don't get paid to answer weird questions. Either buy a lane or get out.
Get sold.
No need to be a bully, darling. I'll take lane 6. Thank you.
You got cash, mate? Hey, he's walking off. He's gonna go ask me to polish his balls. I'm gonna go collect his balls, and he's gonna kill me. Or he just
Total creep.
He's just gonna stare at me. Oh yeah. Get these balls polishing. Oh, back down to us, I see. He's still there. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Oh, we're changing our direction. You really want to watch me polish the last ball? That's why she didn't say anything there. I want to get a saw on edge because this guy's just standing right there.
All right, Time to clean the stinky shoes.
And now he's over there.
Hello, motherfucker.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Which one's the stinky shoes? Oh, you get the deodorizer, don't I? Lovely.
I just love these smelly shoes.
Oh, there we go. This one stinks. Wait, I don't know. I skipped over that. You love the smelly shoes. It's very interesting. Guy's still there, thankfully. That's all his job's done. Oh, my pot noodle.
That should do it.
Where's he gone?
Where did that weirdo go? He didn't even do any bowling. Whatever. Now that he's gone, I can go grab my cup of nudies real fast.
Oh, Blair. Oh, Blair. Oh, love. You're gonna die.
I'll eat this back at the register.
Well. Oh no! Blair. You didn't get to finish your cup of nudies? Oh. The hell am I? Oh no!
What?
Not the explosive bowler lane. I'm in the Sea of Thieves cannon right now. Oh, my cup of noodles, my shrimp, my shrimpies.
You're awake. You gotta listen to me.
Mr. Shrimp!
Mr. Shrimp, you're supposed to be in my belly.
Help me, Mr. Shrimp.
We don't have time for this, Blair. He'll be back any second.
What are you talking about, Mr. Shrimp?
Blair, I can see him. You gotta get up.
What a silly dream. I can't even feel my body, Mr. Shrimp.
You're doomed, Blair. You hear me? Doomed.
If only I could eat you. Ooh! Okay. Who's this?
Who are you talking to?
Mr. Shrimp, call 911.
Yeah. How the pot noodles went.
Mr. Shrimp. I see you're suffering the side effects from my little serum. Hallucinations.
So this is the white guy, huh?
Among other things.
He was the stapler.
That's why I can't move.
It's very calm in this.
Yes, well, you don't have to worry much longer, my dear. It'll all be over soon.
What do you mean?
He's gonna cannonball me, isn't he? Yeah.
I require that beautiful skin of yours, my dear. I can't have you screaming and crying while I shred it from your body.
Jesus.
I'm afraid it's the end of the line for you.
Please, don't.
Didn't get to finish my shrimp and noodles. Please don't. Oh. Man. Please be the pro, come on. Oh, no, okay. I literally just got a shot with cannon. Well, yeah, that's valid. Yeah. Oh, no. Well, could have been worse, I suppose. Is that him stapling his skin? her skin onto the walls. Interesting. I guess he did have enough staples for another shop, like, Jesus Christ. Where's he at? Must be a very good staple gun to fucking pierce into concrete. Damn, so I guess that's the end of it. End of the demo. Yeah, that was looking really good. Wow. That was better than I expected for a demo, at least. I'll can't wait for the actual full game to come out. I'll be buying and playing this 1000%. Anyway, that was the skin stapler. That was unique to say the least. The actual art style and the visual effects, like everything, was really good. It was really good. I really enjoyed that. I'll link it in the description, the demo, the full game. Hopefully when it comes out we can get wishlisted, and we can get wishlisted, and when it comes out you can buy it, because that was a really fun experience. Yeah, thank you all for watching. If you liked the video, if you could comment some type of feedback, that would be amazing. And if you really enjoyed my content, or if you want to help out a small creator like moi, please subscribe. And yeah, see y'all in the next one. Staple.